The sum of a function is defined as f plus g of x equals. We have f of x equaling the radical of 5x plus 2 and g of x equaling the radical of 7 minus 3x. So what is f plus g of x? Well, by definition of the sum formula, we have f plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. By inputting these values in place of those, we have f of x as equaling the radical 5x plus 2 and g of x equaling the radical 7 minus 3x. That is our answer.
The difference f minus g is defined by f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. When f of x equals 5x plus 7 and g of x equals 2x minus 9, we simply substitute the values in. 5x plus 7 minus 2x minus 9. Upon distributing the negative, we get 5x plus 7 minus 2x plus 9. After some simple addition and subtraction, you get 3x plus 16.
Now a question may arise. What is f times g of x when f of x is x plus 3 and g of x is x plus 2? Well, it's really simple, and you're going to solve it in almost the same manner as you did subtraction and addition. What we do, we know that this equals f of x times g of x. Therefore, we plug in the values of f of x and g of x equaling x plus 3 times x plus 2. When we FOIL this equation out, we get x squared plus 5x plus 6.
When working with the division operation of functions, you see that f divided by g of x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. When f of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 28, and g of x equals x plus 4, where g of x cannot equal 0. Simply substitute the values in. You see x squared minus 3x plus 28 over x plus 4. When factoring x squared minus 3x plus 28, you get x plus 4 times x minus 7 divided by x plus 4. After simple canceling out, the answer becomes x minus 7.
Let's look at composite functions. Let's look at the problem f composed of g of 2. Well, what we have here is f of x equals x squared minus 3 and g of x equals 3x. We know that f composed of g of 2 equals this. By simple substitution, we substitute a 2 in for the x and the g. Since g equals 3x, we do 3 times 2. We then have f of 6. Once we have this problem, we substitute a 6 in for f of x. Hence having 6 squared minus 3 equaling 33. What is the domain of f of x and g of x? Well, we have the domain of g of x is x cannot equal 5, because otherwise it would make the denominator 0. The domain of f of x is x cannot equal minus 2, and again it would make the denominator 0. So what we do is we have the domain of g of x, so we put g of x equal to what f of x cannot be. So we have the equation 3 over x minus 5, which is g of x, equal to minus 2, which is what x cannot equal in the domain of f of x. Doing so, we have 3 equals minus 2x plus 10 to get rid of this x minus 5 in the denominator. We then move the 10 to the other side, divide by minus 2, and we have x equals 7 over 2. Hence, thus we see the domain of f composed of g of x equals
Regal Diff, let me tell you something. You're about to get schooled in composite functions. 4 different operations, plus, minus, division, and multiplication. You have f and g and you're in a dispute. Take the x and distribute. F plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. Next, this little symbol is supposed to be read as f composed with g. It's also called a composite function, so you can tell the math haters, stop frontin'. You'll always pass Mrs. B's test because you know your f of x. So now you know functions are quite fun. I got 99 problems and a function ain't one. "99 problems, but a function ain't one. If you having math problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a function ain't one."
Now once upon a time, not too long ago, a man like myself was analyzing math concepts of Van Gogh. This is not math in the sense of functions, but it's still math nonetheless. So now I'm working these problems, doing my work, pray to God I get it right cause my score needs to be high. You know, it's the one that comes before B, but the score of a 90 and below ain't for me. So when a question of functions come, I'ma get to writing. All the dudes in the class be like, he's done before again. And there I go, stuck on a problem again, but I know I can do it cause it's functions again. Trying to give story problems again. $500,000 is the answer cause the numbers are big, but there ain't nothing sweet about AP Calc. I got 99 problems and a function ain't one.
"99 problems, but a function ain't one. If you having math problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a function ain't one. Pre-cal class, let me give you the scoop. You're the cream of the crop, so get your poop in a group. The wise words from Miss Bushhausen, who towards the 10 cubed equals 1,000. A minute left in class, the math book I'm browsing. Teacher shut the door cause she be shouting. Won't even let me go to the water fountain while piling homework on it the size of mountains. Telling us not to sweat the test, yeah, if only knew our f of x. Nerdy, so I'm wearing my intellectual specs. In 2nd grade I was a champion in chess. I translate that into pre-cal success. So ask Luke, when it comes to teaching, I'm not the best, but at least I know my formula, son. I got 99 problems and a function ain't one. "99 problems, but a function ain't one. If you having math problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a function ain't one.